In this video, we will create 7 advanced Excel charts. Let's dive in. First, we will create Gantt chart. Here we have table with 4 columns. Find days by subtracting start date from end date. Drag it down. Now select start date column and insert a bar chart. Go to select data and add another series for duration column. In series value, type the range or select the range. Press OK. Now go to edit and change vertical axis with task names. Now click on vertical axis and go to format axis. Here from axis option, make categories in reverse order. Change date format to DD/MM, day per month. Select blue bar, reset its width and format. Set it to 50%. No border and fill the color with light blue. Make it transparent to 86%. Now to move orange bar to left, go to format axis. Reset minimum bounds value to 45750 with respect to data. Apply purple color to axis. Apply a unique color to each of the bar. So do it one by one. Give each bar a different color to make it interactive and stylish. This is your choice that which color has to apply. So here we have applied the colors. Add data labels to bars and format it. So here we have added the data labels, format it, give it a white color, increase its size. Now edit the chart title. Gantt chart, we are keeping the text as Gantt chart. Format the title. Remove chart border and shadow the shape. That's good. Remove the outline. Yes, Gantt chart is ready. So if we change the end date, we can see the change in Gantt chart. Next, filter chart using checkboxes. Here we have a source table showing data by region and month. Type true above the duplicate table. Below we have a duplicate table. Use if function to extract data from source table. Now drag it across. So here we have the data in duplicate table using if function. Now select the duplicate table and insert a column stack chart. Resize it. Now remove the chart title, grid lines. Now go to the developer tab and add checkbox. Name it and format. Now make 3 more duplicate copies of the checkbox and reposition it. So now we have total 4 checkboxes. Select all the boxes and align it and distribute it horizontally. Now give each checkbox different name: east, west, north, south. Now using format control, we will link the checkbox with the true box, true cell. So please link each checkbox with the relevant true cell. So here our links have been completed. Now if we check the boxes, you can see the relevant data will be appeared. Now give the chart shape a shadow, remove the outline. Great. Just check the box and get updated dynamic chart. Nested column chart. Here we have year-wise sales data of products. Sum data using short key Alt is equal to. Set baseline value to 0. Now select all the table and insert a column chart. That's great. Resize the chart. Switch row or column for the chart. We have the total bar on the right side. Now change chart type to line chart for total and baseline series. Ensure total and baseline as the line chart while keep other clustered column chart. That's great. Click on the line chart and add up down bar. Remove the chart title and grid lines. Now format data series. So set gap width to 50%. Remove line chart by choosing no fill. Gradient fill the up down bars. This is very important step. Remove the inner stops. Change the color of the left stop and right stop as well. Make right stop transparent to 100%. That's good. Now remove the baseline chart. Remove total baseline from the legends. Remove total and baseline from the legends. Now we will add data labels for total series. Keep it above. Add shape to the data labels. Now format the data labels. So format chart area, legends and axis. So our dynamic cluster chart is ready now. Next, progress circle chart. Next, we will develop progress circle chart. First, extract data using VLOOKUP function is equal to VLOOKUP. Select the lookup value, then select the table array. Now type column index number which we want to extract here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 within curly braces 0 for exact match, and here we have extracted the data. Now select the extracted data and insert a donut chart. Remove chart title and legends. Go to the format data series and increase size of the slices and explode it. Make its value to 3%. Now apply some formatting changes. Increase the width of border. Next step is add to data labels. So change the data label options. That's nice. Now add the title within the whole of the donut chart. Link it with the month name. Now format chart area. Give it shadow. Increase the size of the inner chart so that it may be adjusted and fit. So here we have it. Remove the grid lines. That's nice. Also highlight source data using conditional formatting. Apply here the formula. Now format it. So if we change the month, you can see the change in chart and the data highlighted in source table. So our next chart is bidirectional chart, which looks like butterfly. Now insert three helper columns to your original data. Find value in the left helper column, maximum value minus E7. Okay. Now similarly find value in the right column. Now set value as 300 for the center helper column. So we have completed helper columns. Now select whole table and add stack bar chart. Reposition and resize the chart. Erase color for each of the left, center and right bars. Similarly, delete helper legends. Add data labels in center data series and edit. Format the center data labels. Now ensure X is maximum value as 2500 and minimum value to 0. Remove axes both horizontally and vertical sides. Remove the grid lines as well. Change color of the left bar. You can make it red color. Add data labels for the left bar. Format the data labels. Now add the data labels on the right bar. Also format the data labels here. So change bars width. Keep it to 80%. Format the legends. Now format chart area. That's great. Our dynamic butterfly chart is ready. So next is thermometer chart. We have two tables here. Fill the blank table by calculating percentages of the above table. Fix percentage as 100% for the target value. Select the percentage data range and insert column chart. Now format data series. Reduce the gap width to 100%. Change the color of the left bar. Now change the color of the border line of the right bar and also increase its size. Make it no fill. Make target column as secondary. So it will automatically overlap. Now ensure vertical axis maximum value as 1. Delete horizontal axis. Now remove the grid lines, regions and title as well. Select actual series and add data labels. Go to the format and from here select actual series. Now add data labels. Format the data labels. Now add circle shapes at base of each column to make it look like thermometer. Now format the shape. Write name in the shape. Now create its duplicate copies and place below of each column. You can press Ctrl D to make its duplicate copies. Now select all and align the shapes. Mention month names in each of the shape. Now group the shape, all of the shapes. Now group all of the shapes. Amazing. Dynamic thermometer chart is ready. That's great. So our next chart is radial chart. Now fix maximum value to 2000 as helper data. Create the helper column data maximum value minus sales. Now create the second helper data which is used as the data label. So concatenate the month name with sales data. So here we have data label column. Select first 3 columns and insert a donut chart. Switch row column. Format data series. Set value to 40%. Now double click to select the outer ring. Then select no fill from the fill section under the fill and line tab. So do it one by one. That's good. Now fill blue slices with different colors as you want. So do it also one by one. Yes, now we have different color for each of the slice. Remove chart title and agents. Now insert the text box. Jump to the formula bar. Type is equal to C9 cell. Now jump to the formula bar and link with the C9 cell to create its link with the relevant data label. Repeat the above step to insert text boxes for the other 4 slices. So first we will create its duplicate and then link one by one to each of the data label. Now align the shapes. Format the chart area. Remove the grid lines. So here we have dynamic radial chart is ready. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our video.